Today let's learn about basics of fractions. We'll be learning about the numerator, denominator, proper fractions and improper fractions along with mixed numbers. In mathematics, to represent a part as a fraction, it's very important that we divide the whole in equal parts and not this way. So let's assume we cut the chocolate into two equal parts. So what we get here is 1/2 of the whole. There are different terms used in a fraction. The denominator is the bottom part and it represents the total number of parts in the whole. So here the denominator is 2. And out of the total number of equal parts, how many are taken into consideration? That gives us the numerator. In this case, the numerator is 1. Now what happens when we divide the chocolate into 4 equal parts? Each individual piece is 1/4. So you could have 2 of these pieces or 3 of them. And the corresponding fractions would be 2/4 and 3/4. Or if you take all the 4 pieces, you have 4/4. Or it's the whole chocolate again. Next, let's move on to types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Or in other words, the proper fraction is always smaller than the whole. Let us check out with an example. When this chocolate is divided into 5 equal parts, we could have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5 and 5/5, which are all proper fractions. Next is improper fractions. Here the numerator is larger than the denominator, which means it's always more than a whole. Let's see how. Say the bar of chocolate is divided into 2 equal halves and you have 3 of these halves. So putting it together, we would have 3/2. So here we can see that the numerator is greater than the denominator and we have more than the whole chocolate. Finally, we have mixed numbers, which is written as a whole number along with a proper fraction. For example, let us say that the same bar of chocolate is divided into 4 equal parts and we totally have 5 of these pieces. You can put 4 of it together and make it a whole and keep the remaining as it is. Now we can say that we have 1 1/4 of the chocolate, which is expressed as a mixed fraction like this. And if you note carefully, mixed numbers can be converted into improper fractions and vice versa, which we will discuss next. So let's grab another bar of chocolate, which is divided into 5 equal parts. You now have a 2/5 and a 5/5. So in total, you have 7/5. This is an improper fraction. Now if you take the same 2/5 and 5/5 and if you make the 5/5 as one whole, you get 1 and 2/5, which is a mixed number. If this video has helped you understand the basics of fractions, share it with your friends and help them learn maths the amazing way. Thanks for watching.